nkomo seni amedi kan eka ye no enti no ba kwanya bedru ai wo se ye de nkomo twetwe no ehwase nkomo ben na ye ka ho asem ye ka laptops a mampani abedi kire se wode ba seni ye be ya ehuma ya na ye kotoma emofra na efri ho na obia benya laptops no ebi obia betimi anya bi ewo my Ghana mu ana no my Ghana camp no ya ye krado say ye de laptops ebe ma disuafo e okonkro nkuma wo drompo nkane akura ni ho enti laptops ni ye de come den a charge se laptop ni edumu a ensem bebre na ye bedi enkomodi afon ena no penti kame ho menko bebia be boa esa ne se wo ba bia owo school mo Festus Longmati Wabe coming so your National Programs Manager Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition and I no pay ye didn't be shase ansana Nelson abeka ye ho na yemisa se omo no mo si omo nyintum enne ochna se laptops bia ye be yi textbooks ne free ho na ye the laptops abesho nto omo tron krata e den na won krata ni mo omo de kodan aban. Good morning Mr. Festus.
Good morning.
Why if I no pay?
That's it. We say me suya.
Na collations no moye do draw be say and I'm watch petition ne kra na den na wom am de come government.
Yeah, me say as a coalition, that's Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition, any African Education Watch,
okay,
NSDG a sub platform on education.
Okay.
Na yeah sure sa press sa press conference.
Yeah.
Na let me say session na ukaya no. Eba ne say His Excellency the Vice President of this country promised to share laptops to senior secondary students in replacement of textbooks. But yes, we are sure. We are all aware say currently we are in a digital world, and you know nobody will say distributing laptops to students at the SHS level to complement their studies. No, Now we are talking about priorities here, and it's saying, you say, we call SHS now. Recently, Ghana Education Service, Amayati say, we call secondary school now. Textbooks are more here no. Omobi, our printed form, and it says more textbooks. I'm betting me at the idea. They are swinging. I be more swinging. Now say we call a basic level now. For some years after the development or the launch of the new curriculum, we still don't have textbooks covering a lot of the subjects.
Oh, okay.
We still don't have textbooks at that level. And say Ushana SHS, more textbooks needed.
Yeah.
Now a basic need textbooks. Then in addition to textbooks at SHS for a while, it's handed laptops basic level no. Nyanya textbook ko mo be suande. Ama teachers no ebre. Nkoda na nkasa so ebre. Oh, na what you sure basic no and that is the foundational learning. That's the foundational stage. Okay. Now these are the products that will feed into the secondary school. Oh, and we need quality product or quality learning outcomes at that level to feed into the senior high schools. Okay. And to say you're neglecting basic because we are almost neglecting the basic level because of the free SHS program. You know, the free SHS program the abebwa. Ama sebi omo anka skenti omo nko school no ene omo timi akọ school. What I say, you know, say abebwa. Now so no, it shouldn't be at the expense of the basic level because in here basic no to feed into the SHS level. We need quality product to feed into the SHS level. Now we share a basic level. Now we have a lot of problems existing there. We share a scar the running schools no a capitation grants no. For some time now they say qua and contempt. Now say we are head teacher at school. Now we run a school. Na ska also me dey run school ska nimba we dey na run school no enti aba ne say ama heritage be bre omo na omo use omo sika e dey run school no ansa na ska na aba ska na ban so a ni na emba won enti e yo how a e wo ho at the basic level, effective teaching and learning.
Okay.
Osha, even we have about 2.3 million children from KG to JHS. Yeah, can say omuni desk, omuni besuyandi. Oh, adena. Yeah, in fact, say biskaya di kwako procure laptops to replace textbooks. Textbooks ever hodida.
Okay.
Adena emphasize key. And can solve these problems at the basic level.
Mamimremo at this point, those days, no, you have a power when your baby, because Evans 50 at meals time, no, there were this kind of laptops be at mass schools, but not in replace of textbooks, but no more specific people some laptop. If you could recall, it was secondary schools, no, laptops in the crown, no, the buy, a be one so crema.
Yeah.
So how secured would the laptops be?
So that is one of the key problems. We share printed textbooks now.
Yeah.
And no, but laptops, these are machines. Let me say.
Yes.
In our share maintenance culture and so it is not the best. It is you need funny say textbooks. Say be your printed textbooks. Printed textbooks the amount encoder nyina na wo hwe so a omo mayati ase say electives no class would it has been supplied to all the secondary schools and are in their libraries and the correct be call ko yusu na omo wia na omo de abeto ama mo nuanum aba yusu na enti say this is durable when it comes to reliability. Now we share laptops now. One for the setters will be on a laptop and could use. Now we call us a laptop now say.
Okay.
Does it mean for the period within which until say you repair laptop no? Not just say na kwe or here then I was here there. No you sure it do how ne beba.
What I say? Omo need light, electricity.
A lot of the villages or rural areas they don't have reliable source of power. And see almost say na omo ye ni den. This is the situation where Yajatumu say the laptops now replace textbooks. It's not just after some time no there will be no printed textbooks. We won't have printed materials as textbooks.
Okay.
Instead, we'd have digital machines. That's machines okay. One. Secondly, omuni lights. This is an can right. For instance, we conducted research at the basic level. We did a CSO independent audit of school infrastructure in this country. Now you realize over 80% of the schools that we visited don't even have a lab at the basic level. But this is where we need to build the children for them to be able to get to the SHS and perform well. What I say?
So Ankamono, you started laptop with the junior high school now.
No, we are not. No laptop assembly. They be anything pekra. Okay. It is a good initiative. But niya can say it is not a matter of priority. Okay. Or say it mean here answer. What I say? Or say it mean answer. It is a basic level. Not say a lot of the problems they're not saying you solve here. Then you see you quack replace textbooks. Textbooks well SHS did that. You quack replace textbooks. Now we share we share the issue related to school feeding program currently. Yeah. A lot of the caterers, I mean all the caterers are on strike now. Just imagine these children going to school. When the school feeding program was introduced, access to education significantly increased. We had a lot, though as we speak, we still have a lot of our children not in school. About 1.4 million children are currently out of school. Out of this number, we have about almost 1 million children who have not even stepped foot. I mean, they have never attended school. So we have a lot of challenges at the basic level. I will say, yetimi a tackle.
Okay.
But school feeding program. School feeding program here. Or say yetimi say because in Kodai e school. Now omu in the dia e better than omu betimi outside the year. Now stress calculate yet per child now. It is obvious say in Korea they are not giving them quality food. because Saskia, increasing, I think it's been increased to 1 city 20 pesos.
20 pesos.
1 city 20 pesos. And no na ketra no. Well, a juma na oye. And no na a obeto a kind of say raw materials or the bay and a juma. And no one or the bet your mom buano. And no one sebi a juma or sort me savings. And no one or bear savings. Send a becca. I was bet me dear near Bianama and Cody. Amman on what me did the kind of nutrients I bet Mama Swiandy. Oh, and see, there is a lot of challenge at that level. So we are saying, sir, government should prioritize solving the problems at the basic level. Answer. Nah, yeah, because there is if as for the secondary school level there, what is because of the free SHS program in Tino, I mean, a lot investment is already going in there.
Okay.
So we should now focus more of the investment to solve the problems at the basic level. Let us help to get our children coming out with, I mean, quality learning outcomes.
Yeah.
Well, that is what all we are saying.
Okay. And more particularly, have they responded to you?
Yeah. So far, I haven't seen any response yet.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't seen any response yet.
And so you're ready to say it be na laptops nebeba, but it be blended with textbooks, and also wouldn't it help?
Oh, sir, in America, I say we are not against the introduction of the laptops, but like I said, it is about prioritizing solving the problems within the education space. Well, say. We call a lot of the advanced countries now, these laptops have been introduced, but never to replace printed materials.
Oh, okay.
Which I said, because the printed materials are more reliable than the laptops. But the laptops could be introduced to complement these materials that are already existing. Which I said, these learning materials that they already have. It is not bad. It's not bad. But to invest in providing laptops for students who already have all the complement of textbooks that they need to be able to learn effectively.
Okay.
Whilst at the basic level, we don't have textbooks. A lot of the textbooks are still not available after the introduction of the new curriculum. So this is what we are saying, sir. Because just imagine, sir, teachers teaching without textbooks.
Yeah, most of them use laptops.
Students learning without textbooks.
I mean, tablets will be in front of them.
No, we are talking about the basic level.
They
don't even have the printed textbooks.
Okay.
Let alone talking about digital materials. What I say. So we are saying, sir, these things should be done. I mean, the textbooks at that level should be provided to our children. So instead of investing so much money, procuring laptops for SHS students who already have textbooks, I mean the full complement of textbooks they need to be able to learn effectively. Let us invest those monies in solving the challenges at the basic level. Okay,
let's see teachers one teacher, one laptops Echo year.
That's another issue, sir. We're providing laptops, one teacher, one laptop. Over 1.5 years now, we have still not, thousands of teachers have still not received their laptops. And so what is even the guarantee, say, providing laptops for 1.3 million children. I mean, it's feasible. What I say better me aye.
Teachers.
Yeah, I can say yeah no. Yentimi we.
Yeah.
Teachers need be anya there, but we still have a lot of the teachers. Thousands of the teachers have still not received their laptops. It is a we are. And then outside more eco count.
So I'm going to focus more on teachers getting the laptops.
Exactly. So if you are talking about 280,000 laptops for teachers. Now, say, as we speak, thousands of these teachers have still not received theirs. How much more providing 1.3 million laptops for 1.3 million students at the secondary school level.
Okay. Yamra your friend is say yamra omo books no. Eba ne sa omo no mo betro books dia to laptop ne, so how would their work be? Say e ko ba say aba mo ne ebi mo akasa.
Yeah, personally no.
Yeah.
I haven't really gone into that, but won't say it is so far as it is a digital material to replace the intention is to use that as learning material. No, what it means is all the learning content would be provided on the laptops. What I say, all those learning content will be on the laptops for the students to be able to access. Well, yeah, and any day, whichever way they will do it there, yeah, sure said that will be a collaboration between NACA, GES, and whichever company is supplying the laptops.
Okay.
Which I say.
So what will be your next aside some petition no? And come be na ekoso to be na yemfa sorry jumedin. So sembe na ekoso for your next move.
Yes, see idea. We are calling on government to drop the decision to supply laptops to the secondary schools and focus on solving the problems at the basic level. That is our focus. And then we also want to use the opportunity to also request from government to at least engage stakeholders on decisions of this nature. I mean, we all have stake in an issue like this. The country is a country for all of us. So we are thinking, say, when government wants to embark on such important programs now, they should at least get involved. I mean, a lot of the stakeholders, get stakeholder view, get expert view on some of these decisions, so that at the end of the day, it will be implemented and implemented well to benefit everybody. Okay. Instead of say, government who say, until now or implemented without maybe now we're losing focus on the other issues that are pending in the sector. Now let me also use this opportunity to say, everything we do as a coalition is to complement the effort of government to provide quality education for our children. Whatever we do, it is not, for instance, to maybe attempt to pull government down or to make government unpopular or to make the ministry unpopular. That is not our focus. Our focus is to ensure, say, the right things are done to help in what? To help us all in achieving the kind of quality learning outcomes that we all want to achieve in the education sector.
Okay. Nelson, you're trying to suffer no abanes. You didn't be an interview. Wait, in common essay. Once the Emre call. Nelson, fat say, and you not pay. You to train common edify laptops. Mampeni abedi. You see a year dear. Next one, kaya dear here. And some I be a dear sefata chair for nimpona. Yes, one laptop, one teacher mpono. A bimponsa and yankai. And almost recollection is sa by near monsin conyats and almost so musu ya or mudibetun and na yasha quaye befasibet me abu anti laptop me and prayer who and fam madi collection and a canty and nano pay ye ne a year a nedini dear boy. Mammy Koshe Festus a year or say long marty. Or no programs manager Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition and our more esre abai say almost general laptop no jinche so kakra nanka omonye de sefata nsiesie wo junior high school maye ansa na ye the laptops na